The Concentricity Calculator ASME Y14.5 determines whether cylindrical features meet geometric tolerance requirements by analyzing radial displacement measurements. Let's look at the input field. The calculator has one field labeled Measured Point Displacements. Enter comma-separated values in inches or mm. You'll enter your radial displacement measurements taken around the circumference of your cylindrical feature, separated by commas. The placeholder shows an example format of 0.002, 0.001, 0.003, 0.00115. For this demonstration, I'm entering exactly those values: 0.002, 0.001, 0.03, and 0.0015. After clicking Calculate Concentricity, here's what the results mean. The number of measurement points shows 4, confirming we entered 4 displacement values. The second output displays 0.01750, which represents the average radial displacement of all measurement points. The third value of 0.03500 is the concentricity value, calculated as twice the average displacement. The final output of 0.00300 shows the maximum individual displacement from our measurements. These results help you verify if your part meets the concentricity tolerance specified on your engineering drawing. This tool streamlines concentricity calculations for quality control and inspection processes. Find the link in the description below.